How to watch videos in 2x speed TikTok. I'm going to show you how you can easily watch videos in 2x speed on TikTok. First, open the TikTok app on your mobile device and make sure you're logged in. Then, find the video you want to watch at 2x speed by scrolling through your feed or searching for it. Now, tap on the arrow icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen to access more options. Next, swipe through the options until you see playback speed and tap on it. Here, you will see several speed options. Select 2x to double the speed of the video. Now, you will notice that the video is playing at 2x speed, allowing you to watch it faster. You can also watch other videos at 2x speed by repeating these steps. Select a video, tap the arrow icon, choose playback speed, and then select 2x.